In this tutorial, we're going to look at creating graphs in Access. Now, Access hasn't got the same graphing features as, say, a spreadsheet like Excel has got. Excel is designed to create graphs and perform mathematical functions. Access is a database. It's not as sophisticated in those terms. So it's a lot more rudimentary than the Excel graph. But to create a graph, you can do it if you want to. Now, I'm going to create a graph in this tutorial that's going to basically plot a graph of the number of CDs of certain price brackets. So we've got different prices here, and it's going to show me a graph, show me the numbers of each CD in each price. So to create a report, you need to go to Reports, and you need to select the wizard here, Create Report by using Wizard, and then click on New. If you double click on this, this will just launch and you don't want to be here. So click on Reports, Wizard, and then New. Then you've got the option of what sort of wizard you want to use, and I want to use a chart wizard, and then here I'm going to choose the table that I want to use to create my graph. Now it was the table T stock. So click on that, click on OK, and the wizard launches. Now I want to create a graph that shows the price of the different CDs. So I select the price field from here and move that field over. I go to Next, and I choose the type of graph I want. Now I want a simple bar chart, a simple bar graph. So I click on that, go to Next, and here you can move in or move out certain things you want in your graph. So I want the label price tax free down here. So I just moved out a label that I don't want there, and I've moved the price tax free label into here. And then I go to Next. Now you can modify the design. I'm not going to do that just yet. I'll just name my report stock. Or you can change the title completely and say graph showing prices of CDs and numbers. And then you can have a legend or not. I'm not going to bother this time. And then open the report with the chart displayed in it. Click on Finish. And there's my graph. It shows I've got one CD of $6.99, two of $8.99, two of $9.99, and one of $10.99. As I said, it's not as sophisticated as Excel. Really, if you want to do graphs, you should be using a spreadsheet, but you can do it in reports in a database. The only question is, do you really want to? And that's it. We're done.